Welcome to another edition of the story behind the car. In this case, a 67 GMC pickup truck, Stepside pickup truck. This is Dan's truck, and he is busy. We talked briefly. He was telling me about it. This is a build from Kansas, and the gentleman that had the truck needed money and needed to sell it, and Dan was looking for something, so it worked out perfect. He's had it since 2019, and as he said, it has 2,000 miles on the build, and he doesn't drive it much, so it's still a heck of a truck. Nice wood bed. So 67, they came out with naturally different body, but the bed panels are for the Stepside are completely different than the mid 50s through 66. Really a nice truck. And he was telling me about the motor. It requires premium fuel. And right now the price, well, it's coming down finally, but that's pretty restrictive. But great looking build, and great looking wheel and tire setup. So we'll catch you on the next video.